Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a get ready with me makeup video. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Guys, so I got my hair on and I put my lashes on off camera. I guess it's sinking in. How do you say it again? I guess the longer I look at the makeup and how it came out, I'm liking it now. Yeah, you know, you gotta try different things. I'm actually liking how my eye makeup came out. I've never done it this way before. My lip isn't really matching my eyes the way I want it to match my eyes, so I want to go in and put some of my my eyeshadow on my lip to get that blend that I'm looking for, to go in with colors that I use on my eyes. So let's see how this works, how it comes out. Okay, yeah, it's looking closer to what I got going on my eyes. Yeah, that works. So this is the finished look. Now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray so that my makeup stays all day. Try not to get my hair wet. Woo! Okay guys, so I hope you like the look. I'm starting to like the look. And if you like beauty, fashion, lifestyle, inspiration videos, let's go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video if you liked the results and if you liked the video. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!